Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kit. I hope you're having a wonderful day. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. Today, we'll talk about why you should consider refinancing your home mortgage and how to refinance on your home loan. If you have already subscribed to my channel, welcome back and thank you very much. If you're willing to help today, make sure to like the video. It will help with the YouTube algorithm so more people like you can see it. And if you're not a subscriber, well, we have over 10,000 people in the Finance Kit community, so please consider subscribing for more personal finance tips in the future. People are refinancing their mortgages right now left and right. Did you know that? Refinancing your home, or I guess refinancing on your home loan, or refinancing any loan in that matter, should be at the top of your list right now. In this video, I will focus primarily on how and why to refinance your home loan, but those principles apply to all other loans as well that you might have. Cars, credit cards, you name it, it doesn't matter. So first things first, what is a mortgage refinance? The answer is actually very simple. By refinancing a mortgage, you will basically replace your current loan with a new one. It is as simple as that. And if you're wondering why anyone would replace one loan with another, well, there are a lot of good reasons to refinance on a loan. Most often, people refinance to reduce the interest rate that they're currently paying on their loan. Another reason would be to cut down on your monthly payments. Or if you need some funds to pay off other debts, or maybe you want to do some remodeling, who knows? If you have the equity, you can take the funds out with refinancing as well. Have you considered refinancing already, by the way? Let me know down in the comments, please. So look at this chart. Mortgage interest rates are at record lows. Just in last 12 months, we've seen a decline from around 4% for a 30 years fixed mortgage down to around 3% and even below that this year. I'm currently in the process of refinancing at 2.75%. But before we run a real life scenario and why I'm refinancing on my mortgage and how much money that would save me, I would like to give you the benefits of refinancing so you can see if that's a good option for you right now. So why would one want to consider a refinancing? I mean, we're all in a very peculiar situation in 2020. That is for sure. But the opportunity to save some money, it is out there. One of the main reasons people would like to refinance on their mortgage is to save and reduce the monthly payments. Here's an example. Let's say you have a current balance on your mortgage of $211,000 and your mortgage rate on the original loan is 3.875%. That will make your mortgage payment $992 per month. Let's not forget that on top of that, obviously, you will have property taxes and homeowners insurance. I will round those two up at $200 a month just for easy math, which means your total monthly payment for your home is $1,192. Fantastic. But if you do some online research, you stumble upon a lender that would offer you a mortgage rate at, let's say, 3%, for example, which is about what we're at right now. So what happens with your mortgage payment if that was the case? Well, the same loan balance, $211,000 at 3% interest rate means that your mortgage payment will be at $890. Your taxes and homeowner insurance, obviously, they don't change. So just like that, you saved $100 on your mortgage payment per month. And that is if you purchased a home within the last year or two, because before that, the interest rates were well higher than 4%. What is your current interest rate, by the way? Do you know that? So you can reduce your mortgage payment. What else can you do if you refinance on your home? Well, you can tap into your equity. When you refinance, you can borrow more money that you owe if you have equity in your home. The lender will give you a check for the difference, attach it to the loan, and you can use the funds for anything you want. You can pay off other debts, remodel that kitchen, or you can invest it if you see fit. This is called a cash out refinance. People often get cash out refinance and lower interest rate at the same time. Other less popular reasons to refinance will be pay off the loan faster. You can refinance from, let's say, 30-year mortgage down to 15, for example. You can also switch from adjustable interest rate to a fixed one, which, by the way, now is the time to do so. I don't think we'll have better interest rates anytime soon. I mean, below 3%, that is almost free money. And lastly, I would like to answer the question of, should you refinance? Sometimes it is not the right move to make. And I will give you a few things to consider before you start the paperwork. Obviously, you can reduce your monthly payment and save on your interest, that is for sure. But what if you're planning on selling or moving from your home soon? If you're not going to stay in your home for another 3 to 5 years, refinancing might not be the right option for you. And here's why. As any other mortgage loan, you will have closing costs, origination fees, appraisal, taxes and insurance paid up front in escrow, and so on. The national average for mortgage closing costs is $4,876. You might pay a little more, you might pay a little less. So if we use the example from earlier, where you saved $100 a month from your monthly payments, it will take you 49 months or a little over 4 years to break even. So you need to make a decision if you will stay in that home for 4 years to reap the full benefit of the refinancing. Another thing you need to consider before looking into refinancing is if your home and you will qualify. Even if a refinance makes sense to you in your situation, you will still need to qualify, just like any other loan, right? And just because you have a home and you've never missed a monthly payment, that doesn't mean that you'll be able to refinance on your loan. Your ability to refinance depends on several factors, such as the amount of equity you have in your home, your income, and your credit score. To put it simply, applying for a refinance requires an entirely new underwriting process, a process like the one you went through when you originally bought your home. So do your due diligence and research and make sure you qualify before you go through all the paperwork and spend some unnecessary money. So here's my view on the current rates and what you need to consider. Although every situation is different, I would recommend refinancing on your mortgage if the current interest rates are at least 1% lower than your existing rate. So if you're in a mortgage above 4% interest rate right now, then you could qualify for a lower rate for sure. Do you plan on staying in your home for another 3 to 5 years in order to make sure that you save enough money considering paying closing costs? And obviously you need to make sure that you will be approved for the refinance loan. Deciding when to refinance is not a small decision to make. So don't jump on the refinance bandwagon just because other people you know are doing it, okay? But here is why I have decided to refinance on my mortgage. Last year, my wife and I purchased our first home. It was a loan for $220,000 with an interest rate of 3.875%. That means With taxes and insurance, our current mortgage payment is $1,224 per month. Now, we're exactly a year later. I got in touch with my lender and did a pre-qualification process just to check and make sure that the numbers make sense to me. We qualified for 2.75% interest rate with closing costs of around $7,000. Well, at that interest rate and the remaining balance of our original loan, we will be at a monthly payment of $1,048. That is a difference of $176 a month. Huge, right? I mean, who doesn't want to save $176 a month? If we take under consideration the closing costs, that means we need to live in this home for another 3.5 years to break even. In addition, the lower interest rate will obviously save us thousands of dollars down the road from the overall interest. So for us, it is a great decision and the right time to refinance our home, not even a year later. I would love to help and answer any questions you may have. This is a great time to refinance on your mortgage if it makes sense in your situation. So if you have questions, drop them down below. I will be more than happy to answer. Please like, share, and comment. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you're staying safe. Please hit the like button, and as you know, I will give you all the updates as soon as physically possible with working around the clock for you. And as soon as I have more, you will see it right here on the Finance Kit channel. I want to say thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit the subscribe button and that bell notification as well. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share so more people can see it. Don't forget that down in the description you will find some other helpful links. You might want to check those for sure. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.